we'll guide you through how to make a website with Claude. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer to begin the process of building. Click inside the search bar located at the very top of the browser window to start typing. Carefully type Claude download and press the Enter key on your keyboard to locate the official Claude setup file. From the displayed search results, click the link to the official Anthropic website to ensure you are on the correct page for security. On the website, click the Download for Windows button to save the Claude installer to your computer immediately now. When the download completes, open the installer file from your browser's download section to initiate the setup sequence. Wait a brief moment while Claude installs on your computer because the process will not take long to finish. Once the application launches, click the Get Started button to begin the initial configuration steps. Click the Continue with Google option to sign in using your existing Google account credentials securely. Select your preferred Google account from the list that appears on the screen in front of you. Click Continue to confirm your account selection and finalize the login procedure for the tool today. When a browser pop-up window appears, click Open Claude to return your focus to the desktop application software. If any welcome or introductory screens appear, simply skip or close them to access your main user dashboard. Click Continue through the brief setup prompts in the chat interface to prepare your workspace for use. Maximize the application window so that everything is clearly visible and easy to interact with on screen. Click on the Prompt tab located in the middle of the screen to begin your request. Type the following prompt exactly. Can you make a website? And then click the Send button. Claude will inquire about the type of website you wish to create. Select the Blog option provided. Claude will then ask about the desired visual style. Choose the bold and modern option from choices. Allow a moment for Claude to process your selections and generate a full response for your review. Your website page is now ready, and you may proceed to add images or adjust button functions as needed for your creative project.